guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm excited today to share the new Trinity stamps release. I love their stamps. Each release is just so awesome. I just can't wait to see what they come up with next. For my free with 60, you'll see this pop into your cart. It's a beautiful sequence mix by Picket Fence Studio. Once this runs out, I'll switch it out to a different one. And I'm still running the special for the free shipping on US orders over $35. So I want to start with my favorite, which is Trinity's slimline dies. I love their slimline dies. They are just so creative. So this one here is called the Room Builder Slimline Die. I think it is amazing. It's got hardwood floors. It's got the wainscoting here. And it's got the little, the trim. So here you can put the trim on top and on bottom. It's got windows, different styles. It's got picture frames, potted plant, some more picture frames, curtains. So you can hang up curtains. It is just so awesome. And this is a rug. So perfect if you like playing with little people characters. You can put them in there and have a little scene. It's just like super fun. And their other new one is this one here. Let's see what this is called. It's called The Great Outdoors Borders and Builders. And we've got hill with stitching. We've got, that could be waves. You can flip it this way. It could be a little scallop. We've got a fence, we've got grass, we've got clouds, we've got trees. Well, actually, these are not clouds, I don't think. These are the treetops that you can put on the trees, but you can also use them as clouds. And then there's little birds. Oh, I think that one's the cloud. That little one there is the cloud. So if you wanted bigger clouds, I'm sure you can use those as big clouds. Why not? And that'll help you make an outdoor scene. I just did a card with one of Trinity's slimline dies. This one here, this one is the Rainbow Builder, and I had a lot of fun using it. If you want to see my previous video, I share how I put that together, and I created this really awesome card with the rainbow. I just loved coloring in all the different colors of the rainbow, and then the two ends for clouds, which are these two ends here. Plus it has this little border here, which can make a big cloud border that you can put on your card. And I did restock a few other slimline dies from Trinity. So this one's a wonky stitch one with the wilderness. And then this one's called Scenic Borders. So you get your clouds, your grass, your hill. And then this one here is called the Scalloped. And you get some banners for sentiments. So I think this is one of my favorite stamps from the new release. This is the Treetop Adventure. It's a large stamp set. And look at this awesome tree house. And it comes with the little kids that you can have hanging off the windowsills. You can have them playing on this tire swing. There's so many little elements in here. There's a little birdhouse, a little nest, some extra leaves. They can be playing pirates here. There's a paper airplane, a ball, a little banner that you could decorate your treehouse with, a little kite, a balloon, and the coordinating die. You can check out the Trinity YouTube channel. They do show you how to use this die. I believe the die cuts out the sides and the top of your tree. Let's see, I want to show you my other favorite from this release. This one here, the Bunny Burrow. I think is really, really cute. I love this little bunny house. And then these little critters, they're so cute. And you get some bugs in here too, and some flowers. And then the die is a little bit unique because it does cut out the door here, so it opens and closes. It also cuts the window and the other part of the window, the little crisscross in the window. And then it does cut the little bricks out for you, and it also embosses the bricks. I think this does emboss too, the little stone pathway, so that is very, very cool. There's several smaller stamp sets in this release. This one's called It's Okay, and it says permission, it's okay not to be okay. And then the die here does come with a little thumbtack and the outline for this. So let me grab the smaller stamp sets since I'm talking about those right now. We've got Hang in There. I love this one. Just a t-shirt hanging on a hanger. It says Hang in There. I think that sentiment is perfect for this image. And then you can decorate your shirt with these little icons. So I thought that was really cute. And then here is the die for that one. And I do like that it will cut out a little hole right here between the shirt and the hanger. I better move faster. My battery's gonna die. So let's see. This one here is called Paper Pep Talk. Get 3 speech bubbles here. Here's a little paper pep talk, and then the coordinating die, and then die will cut out the sentiment there, pep talk. It also cuts out these sentiments for your speech bubbles. So you can paste them back in different colors, which is nice. This one's called Hang On. So a very cute, whimsical little image there. She could be hanging on to this rainbow. She could be hanging on to the balloon. You could decorate the rainbow with the clouds on the ends. And we've got her little fingers there. So if you want to stamp her and then stamp out her fingers, I guess, over the rainbow. We've got Hang in There, Hello, Hang On to Every Promise of God. Very, very cute. And I love that the die will cut out these sentiments as well. We've got some gnomes and the coordinating dies for those. We've got the bright side. We've got Hello There. And then there is some other gnomes from the previous release that I do have in stock. So you can have them all together on one giant slimline card. I think someone from the design team did a card like that, which was really cute. And then this one's got butterflies. They both do. And then another smaller one here is called, instead of parachute, it's parachute. So we got the little kitty on the parachute. Oh shoot, I'm sorry, just dropping in to say hi. And then this die does cut out the little parts on the inside here of the parachute, plus all your sentiments. And then we've got some school-themed stamps. So these two can go great together. Classroom Cuties and Let's Ride Together. So we get the school bus with the school bus driver, and then the this could be a mom, this could be the person that holds the stop sign and waves the kids on by to say it's safe to cross. We've got the kids over here. We've got back to school, so proud of you, just to know, good luck. And then you've got this, I just wanted to, and then you could say, and say, make today great, kindness matters, let's ride together, stay safe. Just really fun to make some cards for your kids. And then we've got this really beautiful floral stamp. This one's called Blooming Bunch. So it looks really, really fun to color. And then all these really pretty butterflies go with it. And then this is the coordinating die for that. And you can see this die does cut inside some areas, which I love that. It just makes it look so much better when the die is cut on the inside. So great, great release. I did grab this one, the Boiled Sugar Mix Jelly Drops. So these are really, really pretty. They look like water droplets. How pretty that is. So those are really pretty to sprinkle around your card. I'll have the links down below, guys. Thanks for stopping by and taking a look, and I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Thanks for shopping, guys.